Anyway, yeah, I'm impressed, but I'm scared as well. In this video, we're going to explore Sora, which is a part of ChatGPT. So I'm currently in ChatGPT, and I'll click on Sora, which is on the left menu. This opens up in a new window. Sora opens up in a new window. I've been in Sora once before, but I've not actually generated anything yet. So I tried to generate a video earlier, but it wanted me to pay, essentially. I need to upgrade my plan. I don't want to do that. So let's generate an image. If I click on this plus icon, I can upload from device an image I already have. And that's what I'm going to do because I'm going to make some changes to it. I'll choose this one here, which is an image of a broken bike. The bike's not broken, it's just got a puncture. You can see this image now being uploaded to Sora. So describe the new image. Using this image, I want you to put the bike back together so it looks perfect. It is a road bike. Now you've got options along the bottom here. You've got aspect ratio, 3:2, 1:1, 2:3. We'll leave it as 3:2. You've got this one here, which is variations. So you want two images or one image. We'll stick with one image. And you've got a preset here. Let's have a look at this. Oh, these are different presets to kind of give it a different styling. Let's leave it as it is. Let's click on remix and see what it does. And it's been added to the queue. We can see top right in the activity, it is currently generating this image for me and it's at 17%. I'll fast forward this video and we can see how well it does. Okay, that is very impressive. Wow, that is good. So you saw the image I uploaded, which was of a broken bike. Let's find that image in my computer. This is the image it had to work with. It had nothing else other than that description of me telling it what I wanted to do. That is all it's got. And it's created this. That is quite unbelievable. It's quite scary, actually, how good this is. So, you saw my reaction to it. Honestly, I'm absolutely flabbergasted by it. I'm gobsmacked. It's mad that it can create that. It's as impressive as it is. It's scary as well. That for one image of a broken bike with an inner tube falling off it, it's created what looks like a perfect bike. You wouldn't know that's not a real bike. It's incredibly similar to my actual bike. Anyway, yeah, I'm impressed, but I'm scared as well. Wow. Anyway, let me know in the comments what you think about the results of that. Like and subscribe. Wow.